we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Oracle Touch, renewed, and the Philips Series 3300. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. First thing that jumps out is the Breville is renewed, right? That means it's pre-owned.
Yeah, it's Amazon renewed, supposedly inspected and tested, but still.
Right, the Philips is brand new. Big difference there.
Definitely. What about features? The Breville boasts about its 4 keys formula and dual boiler. Sounds fancy.
It is fancy. The Breville is aiming for that perfect temperature-controlled espresso extraction. It even grinds, doses, and tamps automatically. The Philips, on the other hand, it's got the Latte Go system for milk frothing, which people seem to love because it's easy to clean.
Cleaning is a huge plus. The Breville mentions a self-cleaning steam wand, but I wonder how much effort it really saves.
Good point. The Philips uses an AquaClean filter, so you supposedly don't have to descale as often. That's a big time saver too.
The Breville lets you personalize and save up to 8 coffee settings. That's neat.
The Philips also has some personalization, and it connects to the Home ID app for recipes and tips. Plus, it makes iced coffee, which is a nice bonus.
I do like a good iced coffee. What about size and weight?
The Breville is a beast, weighing in at over 37 pounds. The Philips is much lighter, around 17 pounds. Dimensions-wise, they're fairly similar, but the Breville is a bit bulkier.
Okay, weight matters if I need to move it around. Anything else stand out?
Well, the Breville has terrible customer reviews, like 2.5 stars. And I saw someone mention getting a gym weight instead of the machine.
What? That's crazy.
Exactly. The Philips has a solid 4 stars and a lot more reviews, and it's got videos showing it in action.
So, newer and better reviews. Philips is looking good and sounds quieter than the Breville. I think I'm leaning toward it. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.